Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your kinky curls using just Xpression. Yes, you can achieve these gorgeous curls without spending much. I achieved this using just Xpression. So if you want to see how I achieve it, definitely keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and tap on that notification bell. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
So this is the hair I'm going to be using today, and the first pack I cut it into 3, while the second and third pack I cut them into just 2.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I do I, baby, why do I do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So guys, basically what I was doing here is to wrap the hair around the straw. So I'm just wrapping the hair very tight, and while I'm doing that, I make sure I twist the hair a little bit while I'm wrapping, and this will make the hair not to unravel. And I'm trying to hold it, firmly while I'm doing this. And after that, I used wool to secure the ends. Both ends I just use wool, but you can use wool, you can use thread, you can use rubber band, but personally I find wool a little bit thicker, so yeah, that's what I used.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me permite.
Kinda love it, jiriba mo kiri kiri. Jiriba mo kiri kiri. Oh jiriba mo kiri kiri. Kinda love it, jiriba mo kiri kiri. Oh jiriba mo kiri kiri. Kinda love it, jiriba mo kiri kiri. Oh kiri kiri. Alo jikota rande na one eke one. Oba ranke jikota rande na one akwafue. Umbilical nekewa. Ihunanya. Wa. Ihunanya. Wa. Ihunanya. Wa. Ihunanya. Wa. Mana kinda love it, we bamo kiri kiri. Kinda love it, we bamo kiri kiri. Oga get wali. Oga get wali. Enemies they vex say you carry plenty love. Concentrate for my head, so they start to contemplate how to end the love, how to separate me from this love. Them no fi comprehend this, the love in no fi get the end. Them no fi comprehend the why the love in no fi end. In no fi end. In no fi end. In no fi end. This is kind of love injury we mamo. Oh kiri kiri. Oh kiri kiri. Oh kiri kiri. I see as them they plot it. See as them they set it. See as them they provoke. I bet na them he go choke. Kinda love it we bamo. It we bamo. It we bamo. Kinda love it we bamo. It we bamo. When I was guilty, clean me up. When I was filthy, fill me up with the spirit. The love that wrong comes when others are long gone. Noro go to Pagara Africa, Noro go to Pagara America, Noro go to Pagara Asia. That kind of love where there is ya. Noro go to Pagara Kaduna, Noro go to Pagara Jericho.